Zforce red clutch. You have to remove all these bolts and then you just pull it out. It's tight, but it can be done. Now we have one-way bearing, which is not really good. The house, the bells looks okay. Looks okay. And then you have to untie this bolt. It's left threaded, so you untied it in right. Then you just pull the clutch and check this out. The ATV's mud moving acceleration is very bad, and the problem is this clutch. This clutch sits in here. As you can see, very noisy bearing. Not good. You can just pull out that bearing. Old clutch, good bearing. This is all wear. And new clutch. New bearing. And rotation. It's one-way bearing. Rotation is very important. You don't want to mess it up. Old drum. New drum. Here's the seal. Start from the underneath. And there, it's a bearing. It goes like this. And then it's carved with this plate. Here's another seal. Here's one seal. Here is the bearing. This is the drum. And this is the new drum.